Uh-oh. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's just going under. It's not being lifted off. Fuck. Yep. Okay, so check this out. This is how it looks like. Whenever they have really tall shit like that, then it opens up. I don't know what that is. But yeah, that one is just passing right through. That one, this boat is the boat that we just saw. Yeah. Oh man, only if it was a little. And then now it's going down. Yeah, it's like a big bridge elevator. That is so cool. I wish we would have seen it. It would have been cool. It goes like this. Oh. You seen it live? I wanted to see it live. And then chorus go. 근데 저게 올리려면은, in order for that to be lifted, I think it should be like super tall boats. Super tall, guys. Well, I'm thinking it doesn't even get lifted every day. There's no given time. It's just like whenever there's a tall boat. So I guess if you want to see that, you gotta be really, really long.